Everyone, I'm your host Gaurav, and we're back with some exciting initiative by Talio and Navu Project in collaboration with Jack Daniels called the Bar Box. This bar box will be exclusively available in Mumbai and Bangalore this Diwali season. I am now going to make a delicious cocktail from this bar box called the Tennessee Shrub. I have with me a premix, which is a pineapple and a cinnamon shrub. I'm going to use 25 ml of that, 10 ml of lime juice, 50 ml of your favorite Jack Daniels number 7. I'm going to fill up my glass with ice and top it up with soda and garnish it with a smoked cinnamon. I'm going to give it a quick stir, and here you go. What are you all waiting for? Go and order now.